welcome back to my channel. How are you all? I hope everyone okay. I bring today is very quick drink recipe is mojito, mixed berry mojito mocktail. So guys, I'm telling you how to make very simple. Within 5 minutes you can make. Let's begin. So you can see I have got mixed berries, about 400 grams, strawberries, blueberries and raspberries, and 2 fresh lime, half handful of the mint leaves. Got 7-Up sparkling drink, so you can use the Sprite as well. Some ice cubes. So I'm preparing first, so we need to cut the lime first. Like this size. Then take off the green leaves from the strawberries. Then I'm making strawberry 2 pieces like that. So I take very big bowl, then put the lime there, mint leaves. Then I'm going to press. Then little bit blend, not too much. I'm using the hand blend. So you can see I've done very little blend, not too much. Then I'm going to put in the separate bowl with all juice and put in one side. Then I'm using same big bowl. Then I'm going to put all berries. Then I'm using again same hand blend. You can use electronic as well. So mash. So make sure you blend properly. If you got an electronic blend, you can use. That is very quick one. So guys, you can see I blend very nicely. It's thick. So make sure you mash properly. So I'm going to mix all together now. So I'm going to leave in one side. I'm taking at least 2 liters you can make. So I have got big jug to mix. First I'm going to put the ice cubes. Lots of ice cubes. Then I'm going to add the lime and mint. Then I'm going to put all blended berries. Then I'm going to add the 7-Up, or you can use the Sprite as well. Then mix all together. Then I have got very big serving glass. I'm going to put down there. So guys, it's ready to drink. So guys, you must try this very quick, the techniques and recipes. And thank you very much for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. It would be much appreciated. So I'll try to bring more videos, exciting videos. Once again, thank you very much for watching and see you in next video. Thank you. Bye.